How to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app. From here, tap onto your profile on your bottom right corner. Now, if your Facebook account and your Instagram account are connected with each other, it will impact the profile changing as well. In your case, if your Facebook and your Instagram are connected, you have to first disconnect them. So tap on three bar icon on your top right hand side. You will see Accounts Center. Open it. Scroll all the way below, then you will see Accounts. Open Accounts. Then here you will see your Facebook profile. Now, in order to remove them or disconnect, tap on Remove, then tap on Yes, Remove. Just as you do so, even if you change your profile picture on your Instagram, it will not impact your Facebook profile, and the Facebook profile will remain as it is, even though you have just changed your Instagram profile picture. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end, and we will catch you up in our next upload.